And our top focus of this hour is on the Tirupati stampede tragedy. 6 people died in a stampede at Vishnu Nivasam at Tirupati during the distribution of tokens for Vaikuntha Dwara Sarva Darshanam, a special darshan for devotees for a period of 10 days starting Friday. A massive rush of devotees attempting to secure tokens resulted in the stampede. One of the devotees was from Tamil Nadu's Salem. Several people were injured during the incident and were taken to the Ria hospital for treatment. Visuals showed heavy police presence in the area and several people being shifted to ambulances. The massive rush led to the stampede. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu have condoled the deaths. In fact, Chandrababu Naidu will visit Tirumala today to meet the individuals who were injured. A probe has also been initiated to see if there was any police negligence during managing the crowd.
इंसिडेंट का कारण ओवर क्राउड, अनएक्सपेक्टेड क्राउड, ये अनफॉर्चुनेट इंसिडेंट।
प्रिपरेशन में थे कि नहीं इतना लोग आएंगे ऐसा करके?
तो थोड़ा बहुत तो आइडिया है, ये बोल के नहीं, थोड़ा बहुत आइडिया है। ऐसा होता बोल के हम नहीं सोचे। तो थोड़ा इंटेलिजेंस का भी रेस्पॉन्सिबल लेना है। तो कल सीएम साहब सब बताएंगे।
अब तक ऑफिशियली कितने लोग मर चुके?
6 लोग मर गए।
वो कहाँ के लोग हैं सर सब लोग?
थोड़ा लोग तमिलनाडु है, आंध्रा भी है। तो एक बॉडी आइडेंटिफाई हुआ, 5 आइडेंटिफाई करने का है।
Well, what we are given to understand from here by talking to some people is that the crowd had started jumping out of the park. They had started behaving unruly and they were being uncontrollable, and the situation inside the park was also looking very bad, and with the fear that if they are going to continue to stay inside, there's going to be uncontrollable and unruly behavior inside the park, and thinking that opening the gates would be giving them some space, more space to breathe and move is what the officials had thought while opening the gate, is what we are given to understand. The locals say that when they were passing through this side, they themselves were scared to see the kind of crowd that was standing inside and the crowd that were pushing each other to try in an attempt to jump out, because they wanted to be the first people to enter the queue, and so that they do not miss the tokens, or they don't by the time they reach the token center, because the token center is right behind this park where there is a school, and they have to wait in this queue and walk through this queue to reach the school. So they were just afraid that they would, by the time they reach the school, they would run out of tokens, and they had to try and be the first people to enter the queue. So everybody wanted to be the first in the queue, and that's why they were pushing. And once people started jumping out, people started shaking the gates and trying the officials to force them to open the gates. It was all becoming a very unruly and uncontrollable, and that is when the officials decided to open the gates, thinking and hoping that it would clear the space. But what had happened is very, very unfortunate, and exactly the opposite of what they hoped to be. We are currently standing at the SVIMS Hospital SWIMS in Tirupati, and this is where almost 16 people who were severely injured were brought here, and out of the 16 people, 2 patients died here, and 3 people have been discharged so far, which has left us with 11 people who are still getting treated, which their injuries are also grave, and the treatment is also being very promptly done, is what the officials tell us so far. Ministers who rushed here last night have visited the hospital, and they also inspected the situation here and the treatment that is being given to these patients who've been admitted here. And with all positive hope, one can only expect that all of these people will be safe, and then they will get discharged at the earliest. And with Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu also coming here in the afternoon, he's also expected to visit the hospital to take a look at the treatment that is being given to the patients, and to try and speak to these patients if possible. And also he will also be holding a meeting with the hospital officials, the doctors here, the chief doctors, to see what kind of in treatment is necessary for them to get completely cured and for them to go back home. And on the other hand, he's also, after the hospital visit, he will be holding a review meeting with the TTD officials, and they will also be giving him a brief report as to what has happened here yesterday. And as of now, with the initial information that we have, we are given to understand that the people here were trying, the public who was put inside the park to wait there until the ticket counters open, were behaving in an unruly manner. They were rushing out, they were trying to jump off these fences, they were trying to break open the gates, and that is when the police decided that they should open the gates to give them more space so that they won't squeeze each other. But unfortunately, opening the gate led to another rush where everybody started running towards the queues, which led to the stampede.